Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to fix an SSD not showing in disk management on Windows. If your new or existing SSD isn't visible, don't worry, there are several things you can check. First, restart your computer and enter the BIOS or UEFI settings by pressing F2, Delete, or the key shown on your screen. Inside BIOS, confirm that your SSD is detected. If it's not listed there, power off your PC and check the physical connections. Reseat the SATA cable and power cable, or if it's an NVMe drive, remove and reinstall it securely. If the SSD appears in BIOS but not in Windows, right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Expand Disk Drives and see if your SSD is listed. If it is, right-click it and choose Update Driver. Next, open Disk Management again. If the drive shows as unallocated, right-click it and select Initialized Disk. Choose GPT for modern systems, then create a new simple volume and assign a drive letter. If it still doesn't appear, open Command Prompt as administrator, type disk part, then list disk to check if Windows detects it there. Finally, make sure your storage controller drivers are updated from your motherboard manufacturer's website. After applying these steps, your SSD should appear normally in disk management and be ready to use. Subscribe the channel for more videos.